Okay, so today I'm going to show you how I made a nice little, what you call it, like a little end slate for an infomercial. So first you're going to want to find where your files are located. I already made a project, but since I already made a project for the sake of the tutorial, I'm just going to make a new one. Go to File, New. This is Adobe Premiere Pro, by the way. File, New Project, whatever you want. Let's name it Project 2 Tutorial. Find a place to save it. There we go. Right there. Okay. Hit OK. And OK again. I messed up. So you're going to want to go to File, Sequence. Well, let me just. What I did was I pre-made a little slate, as you can see in Photoshop, but the rendering was done incorrectly. So you're going to want to go to File, Sequence, and change that up. So make sure your aspect ratio is set perfectly with your image you're setting up right there. So there's my thing right there. Right click, get info, and as you can see right there, it's that many pixels. You want to put those pixels in there in the sequence so it saves perfectly. And you see all of it. There's a new sequence. If we have a new sequence, we can delete sequence 1 and drag that on there, and now you can see all of it. Render, because rendering is good. Next, we're going to add a text slide to the next one. We're going to add a text slide on top of it, and it's going to be that default crawl, I believe. So it'll move from left to right in the style of a little ticker at the bottom of the screen. Pick whatever font you like. For this one, I'm just going to go black. Here's that. Life is not responsible for any accidents that the customer may endure while using our product. Move that all the way to the left so it crawls all the way. Or all the way to the right, excuse me. Drag that on top of our end slate there. Make sure it renders. You gotta render everything every time. You don't ever want to skip rendering, otherwise it'll just take a lot longer in the long run. And boom, there it is. Render again. Import more. I'll just import some other video. Now we're just going to throw another video on top of there to put in that black box. So, just find your video that you want to throw on there. Grab it, drag it on top of everything else. Make sure you chop the audio off too, if you want to. I'm taking the audio off. And rendering is really what's going to take the most amount of time on any project, any Premiere Pro project. Now we're just going to find a way to shrink that down a little bit more. Just give me 1 second. Okay. You want to click on the that bar right up there, hit scale, and then just drag the scale down just a little bit, just so it's big enough. And now we're going to move that over there. By simply double clicking up there so the video is movable. Alright, so now hit render, obviously, and let's see the magic happen. Oh, we're rendering. Perfect. Alright, so thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope you learned something.